Good morning from Capri. It's another beautiful day on the island. It is our last full day here on Capri, but we're gonna make the most of it. We are walking to the chairlift right now. That takes you to the top of the island. And then we're gonna possibly do some shopping and on a Capri and maybe try and find out if the Blue Grotto is open today, because it was closed yesterday for the sea conditions. And then we have a cooking class later tonight over in Capri town. So yeah, it's gonna be an awesome day. Alright, we got off the chairlift not too long ago. It was amazing. If you ever come to Capri, you have to do that chairlift. The views are unreal. We found out that the Blue Grotto is closed again today, which kind of sucks, but it's okay. Mother Nature. The seas are too rough again. So we are gonna go, we're walking back to our hotel now. We're gonna change and go down to Marina Grande to the beach. And then, yeah, hang out there for a little bit. And then we have our cooking class later on today. We are in Capri Town Center. We have not been up here yet. We decided to walk up here from Marina Grande after we swam, and it was a bit farther than we thought. It only took like 20 minutes, but it was, you know, straight uphill. But yeah, you can also take the funicular up here. I think it's like €8, but you can walk it. It's beautiful.